What's up, guys? It's Tom Grip, and we're at New Croton Reservoir, which is actually one of the places that New York City draws its water supplies from. So we're going to be fishing. We're going to be going around this road that goes around this one section of the reservoir. The reservoir is huge, but we're just going to be fishing this one little branch off of it, and we're going to be stopping at all the pull-offs and the spots. There's potential for some bass, some pickerel, some perch. So, I don't know, we could hook something good today. Got some weeds. Leaf. Holy shit. Something bit my tail off. That is a good sign. Damn, that was probably a pickerel too. Oh shit. Yo, Kevin. Oh man, what the hell? Something's destroying this thing. Look at it. Look, the tail got bit off right there. And then look at it. Look at this, guys. I don't know if you can see this. It's the first snowfall of the season. Just little flurries. See on my sweatshirt. First snowfall of the season. And we're out here fishing it. Let's go. Freaking rock climbing to get to the next spot. Shouldn't have brought this tackle box. What the hell? Kevin, I found like some jaws. Look at this! Oh my god, this is awesome. You see this? They're jaws. It looks like I'm some animal. It's not a fish. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is sick. Look at that. Look at this view. Beautiful. There might be fish in here, I don't know. Huh? It's gonna be really rocky.
Yeah, there's gotta be fish right here.
I'm already stuck. Oh, I got it. I just gotta make sure I don't hit the bottom. Look at this spot. Under the bridge. Oh, Kevin's down. Kevin, what happened? All we need is a school perch, Kevin. They'll come swimming by. Last cast.